Hey! Hello everyone! How are you all doing? I hope you're doing great and are excited to continue your Python learning journey. If you're ready to explore something new and super important in Python, you're in the right place. Before we begin, a quick reminder. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others so that more people can benefit from these easy Python lessons. In our previous video, we understood what variables are in Python, how to create them, and what they do. Today, we're going to explore something even more interesting: Python data types. Now you might be thinking, data types? Sounds a bit technical. But trust me, once you understand this concept, your Python learning will become much smoother and clearer. So let's begin. What are data types in Python? Think of it like this. Imagine you have a box. You can store different kinds of things in different boxes: sweets, toys, clothes. In Python, a variable is like that box, and the data type tells us what kind of thing is inside the box. Python is a smart language. When you store something in a variable, it automatically understands what kind of data it is. That kind of data is called its data type. So let's now take a look at the basic built-in data types in Python that every beginner should know. String for text integer, for whole numbers. Float for decimal numbers. Boolean for true, false values. Let's understand each one of them with easy examples. 1. String str. When data is text string means text. Anything made of letters, words, or sentences. In Python, we write strings inside quotes. Examples: one name equals Aisha, city equals Lahore. Both name and city are strings because they are text written inside quotes. We can also combine two strings using the plus operator. Example 2, greeting equals good time equals morning print. Greeting plus space plus time. Output: good morning. You can change the case of strings using example 3, text equals hello print. Text upper end hash. Output HELLO. Print text lower end hash. Output HELLO. Strings are super useful when you're dealing with names, messages, labels, etc. 2. Integer, int. When data is a whole number, an integer is a number without any decimal. We use it to count age, quantity, score, or any whole unit. Example 1, age equals 25 students equals 40 print type age output. You can also do math with integers. Example 2, a equals 10, b equals 5 print, a plus, b navary, output. 15 print, a times, b, eindigers, output. 50 integers are the most common type you'll use in calculations. 3. Float. When data is a decimal. Number a float means a number that has a decimal point. It's used when we need precision, like temperature price. Weight example. 1. Temperature foods 36.6 price. Gray 499.99 print type price. Output. We can do math with floats just like integers. Example. 2x frees 5.5 y breeder 2.0 print x plus y hash output 7.5. Use floats whenever you need to store or calculate decimal values. 4. Boolean, bool. When data is true or false. Boolean only has two values, true or false. It is used in decisions like, is the user logged in? Is the light on? Did the student pass? Examples. 1 is logged in equals true. Is raining equals false. Print type is raining equals Booleans are very useful when you start using conditions. Example 2 is day equals true if is day. Then print, no need to turn on the light. Else, print, please turn on the light. How to check the data type of a variable Python allows us to check the type of any variable using the type to function. Example, a seer hello, print, a type, a eerie, output, a b seer 100 print, type b. Output, how to convert one data type to another, type casting. Sometimes you need to change one type into another. This is called type casting. Example a equals 5. B equals int, a now. B is an integer, x equals 10, y equals strx. Now y is a string, z equals float, x, now z is a float colon 10.0. This is very useful when you're working with user input or data from files. Yay! You did it! So now you know the 4 basic data types in Python: str for text, int for whole numbers, float for decimal numbers, bool for true-false. And you also know how to check and convert data types in Python. We'll dive even deeper into the magic of Python. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss our next coding adventure. So stay tuned, keep smiling, and remember, coding is fun when Pixie is around. Happy coding! Bye-bye! Bye!